Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how websites get that little custom icon on the browser tab known as a favicon or site icon, today I'll show you exactly how to add one to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. This tiny detail might seem small, but it makes your site look more professional, boosts brand recognition, and helps you stand out in bookmarks and search results. So let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress account. The easiest way is to head to wordpress.com, click Login. And if you've linked your Google account, just hit Continue with Google for quick access. Once you're in, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Inside Settings, you'll see an option labeled Site Icon. This is where we'll upload our favicon. Now, here's an important tip before you upload. Make sure your favicon image is a square format, ideally 512 by 512 pixels. This size ensures it displays crisply across all browsers, tabs, and mobile devices. Click Change Site Icon, then upload your image. After uploading, you'll see a preview of how it will look in the browser tab and in WordPress mobile apps. If it looks good, click Set as Site Icon. Don't forget to save your changes before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your WordPress website. From now on, anyone visiting your site will see your custom icon in the tab, giving your brand that extra professional touch. This quick 5-minute customization makes your site look polished and trustworthy. And it's one of the easiest ways to improve your branding instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and share this with someone who's building their own site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.